This will be a real quick video. I looked around on YouTube and I couldn't find any instructions on how to dismantle a 40 caliber high point carbine magazine. There's two little tabs right here and right here, and you just need to get yourself a tool that you can go in there, and you can pry this one out. Same thing, pry this one out, and this will pop off. You do that real quick. Okay. Once you pull out those tabs, they lock right on there. You pull that out, spring, and the follower guide. This little guide right here runs inside this groove on your follower. So the follower is going to run up and down that track. That little notch is going to be on the same side as this notch right here on your magazine. So it's going to look like this inside of the magazine. And then that's going to run down in your base plate, like so. Okay, simply place that back in there. Push the little track has a groove. It catches right here. And it should run up and pop out in front of your follower there. Just like that. You put your base plate on, this portion of it to the front of the magazine. And as you push this in, these little tabs are going to lock on there automatically. That's it.